Hi, I'm Rob, and I'm standing next to the 2015 Toyota Avalon. Beauty is in the details for this Toyota, which shines through with strong lines. Its sharp look continues with its sporty dual exhaust, making it a very sleek and modern sedan. Avalon's standard leather trim seats, soft touch materials, and French stitching add up to an environment that feels as if it were made just for you. Your passengers will ride in comfort as well, with its optional 3-zone climate control and heated rear seats. Toyota's MyKey makes it easy to hop in and go with its convenient push-button start. On the dash, you'll see its gorgeous, high-resolution 7-inch display, which features N-Tune, with features like nav traffic, nav weather, and even real-time fuel prices. There are a couple of engine choices for the Avalon, including the 3.5-liter V6 with 268 horsepower, or the eco-friendly 2.5-liter hybrid engine with up to 40 miles per gallon. And with the available Sport mode, you can increase your throttle response for a very lively ride. As always, safety is at the top of the list with Toyota, which is clearly shown with the Avalon's 8 standard airbags. The available blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert helps identify vehicles that you may not have seen when changing lanes. Its standard backup camera will allow you to see everything, whether you're parallel parking or backing out of a tight driveway. If you're looking for the perfect blend of performance and comfort, then come down and see us and check out the 2015 Toyota Avalon.
Michael's Toyota of Bellevue. For the life you live.